Hey people, so I intend to be making one video after the other because it's just uh, I may not get this chance again. So I just have to say this, yeah, that sometimes coming out for a morning walk can be the most invigorating thing, and look at how beautiful it is at the back. You know, now it's been 7 years since I've been running this channel, and uh, now when I look back, I'm like amazed. I did a recording at see, look at that tree there. It's just beautiful, yeah. 360-degree. If you were to take a look, it's a beautiful place. Uh, so that's what I mean. Now when I look back, I realize that things that seemed insignificant, like standing under a mango tree or sitting in a bus just before the lockdown was declared, now in hindsight they were so precious, and I'm so glad I did those 1 minute videos. Though people are staring at me, I intend to shoot yet another fourth video. But truly, people, I'm so grateful that you all have been with me on this journey that's been over 7 years now. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.